Have you ever wondered what's behind the symbols and logos that surround us? What meaning do they hide? What stories do they tell us? On this channel, we invite you to discover the stories behind the symbols and logos that surround us. From the most famous to the most unknown, we will tell you the story of how they were created, what they mean, and why they are so important in our culture. So don't miss this opportunity to discover the stories behind symbols and logos. Subscribe to receive notifications of new videos. We are excited to share these stories with you. The meaning of the Tree of Life, a universal symbol of connection.
The Tree of Life is a profound and universal symbol that has woven its roots through the tapestry of human culture and religion for millennia. This iconic symbol transcends geographical and philosophical boundaries, appearing in various forms throughout the world. At its core, the Tree of Life embodies the connectivity of life and the interrelation of all living things on Earth. It is often depicted as a large tree with sprawling branches and deep roots, representing both the visible and invisible worlds. Through its trunk, the tree connects the heavens, the earth, and the underworld, symbolizing unity and harmony. In ancient Egypt, the Tree of Life was known as the Acacia tree of Saucis, representing the cycle of life and death, the cycle of the universe, and immortality. The Egyptians believed that the first couple, Isis and Osiris, emerged from this tree. In Norse mythology, Yggdrasil is the Tree of Life, an immense ash tree that connected the 9 worlds, including Asgard, the realm of the gods, and Midgard, the realm of humans. Yggdrasil was considered a source of wisdom and stability, with roots and branches extending into the heavens, earth, and the underworld. In East Asian traditions, the Tree of Life is associated with cosmic connectivity, often depicted as the peach tree in Chinese mythology. According to legend, the peaches granted immortality and were consumed by the gods, reflecting themes of longevity and eternal life. In Christianity, the Tree of Life appears in the Bible's book of Genesis, situated in the Garden of Eden alongside the Tree of Knowledge of Good and Evil. It represents eternal life and the presence of the divine within creation, symbolizing God's provision and care. The mythical implications of the Tree of Life are mirrored in modern interpretations, embraced as a spiritual symbol in yoga and personal development. The tree represents personal growth, strength, and stability, with roots delving deep into the earth for nourishment and branches reaching out into the world for energy and enlightenment. Aesthetically, the Tree of Life is a popular motif in art and design. Jewels, tattoos, and logos often incorporate this symbol, conveying profound meanings of growth, protection, rebirth, and the ever-evolving journey of the human spirit. Corporate logos using the Tree of Life aim to communicate connection, longevity, and sustainability. In modern society, the Tree of Life symbolizes environmental awareness, reflecting the interconnectedness of all life forms on our planet and a shared responsibility to protect our world. As climate change becomes pressing, this symbol represents ecological solidarity. Ultimately, the Tree of Life is a testament to our innate desire to understand our place in the universe and find coherence and connection in the world around us. It invites reflection on personal growth and relationships with nature and fellow creatures. As the Tree of Life continues to inspire artists, thinkers, and dreamers, it beckons us to delve deeper into its timeless symbolism and embrace its lessons of unity, balance, and interconnected hope. By exploring its roots, we come to appreciate the connectedness of all life and the shared human journey across cultures and epochs.